bags of mints and bags of chocolates, right? So X, we'll put bags of mints, and Y will be bags of chocolates. Okay. All right, now keep in mind, all the money stays together in one guy. So 3, 5, and 90, you know, is all attached to each other. Okay? So the first thing it says is he wants to buy at least 15 bags. How do we write that? At least 15 bags.
X plus Y is greater than 15?
Less
No, less than.
it's less.
Well, what do you think about it? At least 15 bags. Is he okay buying more?
Oh, no.
At least 15
Yeah.
would mean I would go high. I need 15, but if I had 20, oh well. All right, so this sign's pretty good, but it's missing one thing.
It's equal.
Equal, okay? So if I buy 15, I'm doing good. If I get more than that, great, okay? All right, so now how much, the X of mints, what were mints worth?
3,
Okay, chocolate,
5,
so 3X, 5Y, and what was my budget here?
90.
You cannot spend more than 90. So now what sign should I put there in the middle?
Less than.
or equal to.
Less than or equal to, right? You can spend exactly 90. Okay, so now let's review our intercepts again. So on the first equation, or inequality, first guy here, cover up, so your x-intercept is going to be what on this guy? 15. There's nothing to divide by, right? So it's just 15. What about your y-intercept? 15. Okay, so that first one's pretty easy. Not going to have to do any work. Not all the time, but most of the time. Okay? Alright, so now do your second guy here, right? Okay, so if I want my x-intercept, what am I going to do? Divide by 3, so what's 90 divided by 3? 30. Okay, so my x-intercept here is 30. Okay, so now let's find the y. So let's cover up.
18.
And 18. Good. 90 divided by 5 is 18. Okay. Is everybody okay with the intercepts? Because if we don't understand this, you can't graph, which you're going to lose a lot of points on. We're good? Okay. So now we got to get up to 30. What do you guys want to count by? 5s it is. So 0. Count by 5s on both axes. And I just went to 30 on them. Okay, so X is what again? Okay, bags of mints. And my Y? Bags of chocolates. Good job. Okay. And what's your title?
Candy.
Candy, all right. Okay, so I'm graphing the first one. My intercepts on the first one are at 15. So I've got 15 on both the X and the Y. Is that going to be solid or dotted? Solid line. Okay. And then where should we shade on this guy?
Up.
Very good, so shade up. Okay, just nice and light. Don't kill yourselves here. Nice light shading. All right, so then the next one, x-intercept is 30. So I'm going to have a dot at 30. And y-intercept is 18. So just below that 20 there, I'm going to have 18. Okay, solid or dotted?
Solid.
Good. All right, now are we going to shade up or down here?
Down.
Okay, down. Now, guys, I'm going to warn you, it will not always overlap in the middle here. Okay? On the two that we've done, overlap in the middle. It does happen often, but it can be below or it can be up, okay? So please don't always assume it's just going to be in the middle, right? Do your work, make sure you get it right, okay? All right, so then the next step is to pick a point. So you can pick a point for me in that dark region. Ben, what do you think?
15.5.
Okay, he says 15.5. I think that'll look good. If you'd have picked 10.10, that would have been another good one. Guys, you could even pick down here on the axis and you could say 20.0. That works too. Okay, so anything in the shaded region works. He picked 10.5, so, or sorry, 15.5, so that's what we're gonna go with. Okay, so 15.5. So now, what does 15.5 mean?
15 bags of nuts, 8 bag of chocolate.
Okay, he can buy, so Josh can buy 15 bags of mints and 5 bags of chocolate and meet his requirements. Okay. All right, does anybody have a question? Good?